This morning's winter storm is categorized as a storm with blizzard-like conditions. So what is the criteria for a blizzard? Our 22 News reporter Areta Odaya has a breakdown of it all.
A major snowstorm hit western Massachusetts Sunday into Monday, and you would assume that this would be considered a blizzard, but it's not.
You need wind sustained at or over 35 miles per hour. You need visibility of a quarter mile or less, and you need both of those for 3 hours or more.
Eastern parts of the state have reached blizzard status, if you will, Boston being one of them, as well as parts of Connecticut and Rhode Island. As for here at home, we haven't reached all three of the criteria.
It's definitely windy, and when those wind gusts do pick up, you get those whiteout conditions, but we're not seeing any of that sustained. We're more seeing wind speeds sustained around 20-25 miles per hour.
Speaking of conditions, take a look at my covered Nissan Sentra. Now, I haven't touched my car since the storm started Sunday night, and even look, if I try to brush it off, I've definitely got a couple of inches, as you can see with this gap. I'm kind of just brushing it off. It's kind of heavy and wet, not as fluffy as that last storm we had. Gotta check out that wind speed in Chicopee. Definitely windy, so check. And one of the biggest tests is if this snow is able to make a snowman. This is for the kids. So a snowman is possible. While we were outside, we found a father-son duo for round one of shoveling.
It's hard to see. You look this way and snow's just coming right at your face. I like the summer. I really hate the winter.
Now, if you can, stay indoors, let the plows do their jobs, and have a great snow day. Working for you, Areta Odaya, 22 News.